Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.
In this video, we will see how you can use table view in sprints. Here we have a sprint, and this is our table view. If this view is not added, simply click on the plus button and click on Add next to Table. Once added, you'll see a neatly organized table with all your tasks grouped together like this. To add new tasks, click on the Add Task button next to the group name. Here, you'll see that there are 3 tasks within the To-Do group. To view all the subtasks within a task, click on this arrow. This reveals 3 subtasks within this task. You can hide the subtask by clicking on the arrow again. You can click on this plus button to add more subtasks. To rename a task, click on the pencil icon. The number of subtasks is displayed here. From here, you can change the status, priority, due date, and add assignees. Here, you can see the task ID. For additional task options, you can click on 3 dots. To manage columns, click on the plus button. From here, you can enable or disable existing columns.
For new columns, click on the New Columns section, and here you'll find new columns. You can click on Add to add any columns in your table view. The AI suggested section provides columns recommended by AI. For example, to add the lead quality score column, we will simply click on Add. Here, you can edit the column name, change the column type, and modify the column description. Once done, click on Add Column, and our new column is added. You can expand and collapse groups all at once. Click on this button to collapse all groups, and on this one to expand all groups. To collapse or expand a specific group, click on the arrow before the group name. To hide completed tasks, click on Hide Done. Click on this button again to display them. If you want to pick a different group by option, click here and select your preference. You can filter tasks by clicking on Filter and use the search bar to find specific tasks.
To make changes to multiple tasks at once, click on the checkbox and you will see a menu at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can change status, priority, set due dates, add assignees, set types, and even delete all tasks at once. For more table view options, click on the 3 dots next to the table name. Here, you can set it as a default view, rename it, duplicate it, or delete it. That's how you can use table view in sprints. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.